How to fix Instagram not recording on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not recording on Android or iOS phone. First you need to do here is to go to Play Store or App Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated, and after that just go back and go to settings and here scroll down until you find here apps, and then apps again. This one is for Android phones. Now type here Instagram, click on it, click for stop and go to storage, clear cache. After that go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix it then just clean some space, delete some photos and videos, and I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.